Hello, students. So, today I'll start a new chapter explanations, that is, chapter 5, Anita and the Honeybee. Previously, students, previous video introductions of this chapter. I hope you all are seeing that video. Okay, and today I explain chapter 5, Anita and the Honeybee. Okay, students, this is a true story, and Anita Kushwaha is a girl star. What is Girl Star, students? Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who have changed their lives by going to schools. Okay, students. So Girl Star is a one of a project, and Anita stood as a Girl Star. Okay, so Girl Star is a project which tells extraordinary tales of ordinary girls which have changed their lives by going to school. Okay, students, say in the chapters Anita and the Honeybee, my name is Anita Kushwaha and I live in Bochaha village. Okay, students, Bochaha village. This is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. Okay, so Muzaffarpur district, see in Bihar, Muzaffarpur district in Bihar, in that Bochaha village is there, and see very properly in the map. Okay, students, so Anita Kushwaha, her name, and she live in which village? Bochaha village, and which is in Muzaffarpur district in Bihar. Okay, so students, next I stay with my parents and two younger brothers. So Anita stay with her parents and two younger brothers. Okay, students, I study in college. She study in college. Besides studying, I teach young children. So besides the studying, she teach young childrens. Okay, I also keep honeybees. Okay, students, she also keep honeybees. Simultaneously, she doing this thing also. She also keep honeybees. All this has not been easy for me. Okay, when I was young, I used to spend all my times with my goats as they grazed for food. Okay, when she is young students, she used to spend all her times with goats. Okay, as they graze for food. I wanted I wanted to go to school. Point to be noted, students. She wanted to go to school, but my parents did not like the ideas of girls going to school. So Anita Kushwaha, she always wanted to go to school, but her parents did not like the ideas of girls uh, going to school. So students, next topic, dream of school. Dream of school, students. See, one day I peeped into the school. Peeped means look quickly at some things. Okay, so into the school in our village. Okay, I could not stay away. I silently went and sat down behind the children's. Okay, so one day she peeped into the school in her village, and she could not stay away, and she silently went and sat down behind the children's. I felt so happy. That time Anita felt so happy. I went home and picked up courage. After coming from the school, she she picked up the courage, okay, and she felt very happy after coming from school, after returning from the school, after her experience gathering in the schools. She felt very much happy, students, and she picked up courage to talk to parents. I went home and picked up courage to talk to my parents about going to school. Okay, as her parents not allowed to go to school previously, you are getting ideas at Anita wanted to go to school, but her parents did not like the ideas of girls to going to school. Understood, students? So, say after returning from the after gathering the experience of school, village schools, say went home and picked up courage to talk to parents about going to school. Okay, but they told me clearly that I could not do so. That day she cried lot and lot. Okay, that day she cried lot because her dream is there to go to school, but her parents not allowed. Okay, students. So see, one of the teachers in my village, one of the teacher in my village explained to my parents why it is important to study. Yes, students, education is important, as you know. Okay, so one of the teachers in Anita village, which village name, Bochaha village, where it is located, students, is located in Muzaffarpur district in BR. Okay, students, so one of the teacher in my village explained to my parents why it is important to study. A teachers told them that they would not have to pay anything. Okay, teacher explained to Anita parents what teacher explained. Teachers told them that they would not have to pay anything for my educations up to class 5. Why it is like that? See, one of our act you know very well, that is the teacher said that it was the right of every child to go to school. Understood, students? Teacher explained that it was the right of every child to go to school. Somehow my parents agreed. Okay, what teacher explained, students? What teacher explained to parents, Anita's parents? See, uh, teacher explained about right to educations. Okay, right to education, that is it is a constitutional act passed by Parliament of India. Parliament of India, on which date, students, in the previous video you are already seen that I explained this one. It right to educations. It is a constitutional act passed by Parliament of India on 4th August 2009. Got it, students? 4th August 2009. And according to this act, every child aged between 6 to 14 6 to 14 has a right to free and compulsory education up to class 8. Okay, students, according to the Right to Education Act, according to this act, every child ages between 6 to 14 has a right to free and compulsory educations up to class 8. Okay, students, so this, according to this act, free and compulsory, okay, it is a right of every children. Okay, free and compulsory education up to class 8. So this is explained to by the teachers, village teachers, Anita's village teachers, to her parents. Okay, about this act. So according to this act, you know very well what. Okay, moving to the next, students. See, moving to next, staying in school. Time passed and soon I completed class 5. I knew that we would need to spend more in class 6. My parents said that it was time for me to leave school, but I wanted to study more. I found a way to do this. I started to teach younger children. From the money that I got, I was able to continue my own studies. Okay, students, say Anita completed class 5 and she knew that she would need to spend more in class 6. But her parents said that it was a time for her to leave school. But she wanted to study more. So for continue her own study, she found a way to do this. What way she found, students? She started to teach younger children in her village. Okay, students, from the money that she got, she was able to continue her own studies. Okay, students, the next is one sweet memory. I remember some older boys in my village also used to teach young children. They did not like it when I started teaching. They started to scold and scare the children so that they would not come to me. For sometimes all the children except two stopped coming to me. But soon they all came back because I used to teach them with love and care. So, students, say in her village, Anita village, some older boys are there. They also used to teach young children, but they did not like when the children is going to Anita's place. So, what they are doing? They started to scold and scare the children whoever used to go Anita place for teaching. Okay, so for sometimes all the children except two stop coming to Anita place, but soon they all come back. Because why, students? Because Anita teach them with love and care. Okay, students, so after completions uh, of class 5 educations, Anita started to continue her own studies. For her continuations of the studies, she started to teach younger children for village, and from the money that she got, she was able to continue her own studies. Okay, students, say next, slowly I started talking to other parents in the village about sending their daughters to school. My parents also started helping me in my works. So previously, Anita parents not agree to send her to school, but now Anita parents also started helping her in her works. So my mother used to do all the housework so that I could get more time to study. So they are now supporting Anita for her bright futures. So, students, do you know someone who wanted to study but could not do so? Yes, many are there. They wanted to study but could not do so due to his or her family problems. He or she had to go for work in order to help his or her family. survive. Although every child has a right to free education up to class 8, as we are earlier discussed in the right to education, which is a constitutional act passed by Parliament of India on 4th August 2009. According to this act, every child between 6 to 14 has a right to free and compulsory education up to class 8. Okay, students. So let's see what we discuss today. So in this we get an that Anita always want to go to school, but her parents did not like the ideas of girls going to school. So one day, she silently stepped into the school and attended the class. She felt really happy after that. Thereafter, she tried to convince her parents to allow her to go to schools. Then she took help from one of the teachers in the town to convince her parents, and somehow they agreed. In the Anita story, you are getting ideas of that. See, after completing students after completing her study up to class 5, her parents said that she had to stop now as they don't have enough funds so as to allow her to study further, but she wanted to study more, so she started teaching young kids in the village, and from that money she continued her own study. Later on, her parents also started supporting her to study further. Okay, so students, see who who is a girl star? Who is girl star? Girl star is Anita Kushwaha. And what is the girl star? What is girl star? Girl star is a project which tells the extraordinary tales of ordinary girls who change their life by going to school. Okay, and if I asked where does Anita live, so Anita live in Bochaha village in which district, students? Muzaffarpur district of Bihar. Okay, so who explained the importance of study to Anita parents? One of the teachers in the village explained the importance of study to Anita parents. Okay, so what did Anita do to continue her own study? So Anita started to teach young children to continue her own study. Okay, students. So these all things we are discussed today. So thank you, students. Revise all the whatever the today discussions, and study well. Stay home and safe. Thank you, everybody.